Hello, this is Joe Pryor, the virtual real estate team in Oklahoma City, and I want to tackle something that I get asked about all the time from new investors. And we have got a ton of new investors wanting to buy property in Oklahoma City and Tulsa right now. I've never seen the numbers in my 32 years as the people that are on our waiting list, our reservation list for homes. And if you do want to get on it, you need to get a hold of me. We have a lot of new properties coming in with a lot of people that we have to satisfy. But most of this is new construction, probably about 90% of it. And so one thing that we always ask is, well, what's the builder's warranty? Well, every state's going to be a little bit different about what they require. Now, in the case of Oklahoma, a builder needs to offer a comprehensive 1-year warranty period. In other words, all the way through the house. And so what I normally recommend people to do to buy new construction, either as as investment or, for an owner occupant, is that before the end of that year that you get the house inspected. In other words, you have your property manager or an inspector go in, look at the home again to make sure that everything is fine, even cosmetically, in terms of dealing with something you might have missed when you bought the home in that first year of ownership. Now, the second thing is you've got warranties that are separate from that. So in other words, your heat and air system typically is going to be a 5-year warranty against defects in materials and workmanship. 25, 30 years, 40 years on the roof, 2 years on a lot of appliances, 3 years on the hot water tank, 3 years on the termite treatment for new construction. So these things are something that are also important for you to know about in terms of what warranties are and what they are. And again, remember, they're defects in materials and workmanship. The abuse doesn't cover it, all right? If your young daughter or son flushes a little teddy bear down the toilet and backs it up, that's not a warranty issue. But if it is something that's a defect, it is taken care of. Now, there are some longer warranties than that. Now, these are national warranty companies. There's a couple, one's called a 210, which one of our builder uses. There are different warranty companies that do these. And what they do is they offer a 2-year warranty on virtually everything. And then a 10-year warranty on a specific type of slab or foundation construction that requires it. It's called a post-tension slab. And so what happens is those are offered with the property. You can get online nationally, like with our builders, and see what a 210 warranty covers. Or if it's a different one, we can give you that information. And some of our builders include 40 pages of the warranty issue on your contract. So you do have warranties that come with this that don't handle abuse, don't handle normal wear and tear, but it's very, very important. Now, for instance, that 30-year warranty, let's say that you have on the roof, that is not something that a weather-related incident covers. For that, you're going to need to go to your insurance company and file a claim. But if it's something where you see that there's some problem, with that asphalt, that composition shingle, then that is something that is typically handled with the warranty. Now, I don't hardly ever see that happening, but yes, things in faucets, things in appliances, yes, things can go wrong within that warranty period. But I just want you to know how warranties are covered. If you are an investor for us, this is handled through the property manager. They deal directly with the builder, and it won't be your expense.